Meaning of flub.
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 Flub. The term flub refers to a mistake or error, typically one made during a performance or presentation. It can also be used more broadly to describe any kind of blunder or misstep. The result of a flub can vary depending on the context and severity of the mistake, but generally it can lead to embarrassment, criticism, or negative consequences. In some cases, a flub may be relatively minor and easily corrected, while in other cases it can have more serious implications and require significant effort to rectify.